everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design, and I'm here today to show you our 2021 Inspire Me digital planner on an iPad Pro and an iPhone. Great thing about digital planners is that I can plan at home on my large tablet and sync it and take it with me on the go. I can zoom in on my phone even though it's a very small screen. First of all, I'm using it in the GoodNotes app, GoodNotes 5 app. We released this digital planner last year, but we've updated a few things from customer feedback, added some new templates, added new bonus category, and so we think you're gonna love it. It's the same bright, cheery colors to inspire your day, and it's a place where you can keep track of all your calendars and keep all your plans for your home, for your business, for school, for projects, your research interests. This is the front cover. We can always access the front cover with the cover cloud up here. We also have a year at a glance, which shows us December 2020 to December 2021 functioning links, and then we have some small reference calendars for the first 3 months of 2022. We're releasing this early November 2020, so we've included November 2020 and December 2020 planning. If you're new to digital planning, you're going to love this planner because we've put some little hints and instructions on the main pages that will help you get to know this planner. When I want to go back to the front cover, I just tap on cover. Think of it like a paper planner that you can just swipe through. After the cover, you're going to have a welcome page, and then our year calendar. And then you find all of these templates that come with the planner. You pay one price, you get all the calendars, and you get all of these templates to help organize your plans. This page that accesses the 29 templates is called the Categories Cloud. For each category, like tracking, plan, cook, read, pin, make, celebrate, think, buy, go, or watch, we have the various templates. These templates can then be stored in the small icons on the right-hand side of your planner. If I tap on one of those icons, I go to what we call a landing page. These landing pages are like dividers that separate your different categories. If I click on this icon, I go to the make category, for instance, or if I click on this little $sign, it's the buy category. If I tap on my categories cloud, I find all of the templates. So if I wanted to add a template in my buy category, like a budget, we have a pre-filled budget template where you can go into annotate mode and you can write in your own amounts for each month. Always remember in the GoodNotes app that this little icon up here switches you back and forth between annotating, which is writing, or being able to maneuver the pages. Now, even when you're in annotate mode, you can still swipe and move pages, but sometimes people who are new to planning get a little lost when it comes to knowing when I can write on it and when I can't. Also, on every single page of your planner, we have a question cloud down here. When I tap on it, I come to the index. Now this is a new feature of our 2021 that wasn't in the last planner. This is a linked index of your original planner. And I'm going to have a video for going through step by step this index, because it kind of shows you how we organize the planner. In GoodNotes, there's a waffle icon that lets you see the thumbnails of all of the pages in your planner. When your planner is brand new, you're going to want to get to know how this planner is organized. And the fastest way to do that is to work through our index here. Also, there are frequently asked questions, as well as step-by instructions for copying and then adding pages. You can use our pre-designed templates, or we also have some 6 blank template pages that you can design yourself using the various tools that come with GoodNotes. Possibly you need a certain type of template for your business or your school. You could make it and store it in one of our 6 blank template holders. You would simply just label it, let's say work. Then every time that you want to access your work template, you've got it right there to duplicate. You might possibly use one of these 2 bonus cloud categories. It's hard to, when you're designing a planner, to know what everybody needs. So these categories are empty and can be labeled for whatever you might need. Work, pets, school. Last year we only had 1 available, and this year we've got 2. Another new feature for this year is a new category that we are calling track. It has 3 new templates. It has a habit tracker so that you can list various habits that you want to try to do, where you can mark the days of the month that you might do those. We also have a medical template, and a contact template. Now, a lot of you might have address books and other types of contacts, so this might be just a different way to keep track of who you've contacted. If you're doing a certain project with various contractors, or you possibly have different people to contact for your child's school, you can keep track of those separately here, and then even have a little note-taking place where you can track whether or not you contacted them, when you contacted them, what was discussed. We have it to where you'd have 1 per page. That way you could keep them in alphabetical order. In the GoodNotes app, there is a way to outline and keep track of all of your pages. All the ones that you add can be tracked in this way. So under this little check mark is where you can store all of those things that you like to track. Now, if we come back to our year at a glance, I want to quickly show you how you can jump around and easily navigate in a digital planner. Unlike paper planners, where you might have to flip a lot, find a tab, digital planning is the way to go. If I want to go to February, I click on the February name and it takes me to the month grid for February. In February, I have some little reference calendars that I can go back to the January grid or forward to the March grid. It's a quick way to just jump to the grid overviews for each month. Now, if I wanted to go to a certain week at a glance, I can tap on the dates in that year at a glance. One new feature is I have a real quick way to get back to the March grid overview on the weeks at a glance or the Inspire Me pages. This will take me to the overview grid. I can go back to any week at a glance in the month grid. Or I can also quickly jump back to the Inspire Me page. Now, when I first land on a month by hitting a month tab, I'm going to come to this little happy quote that kind of harkens back to paper planners, landing pages. It tells you I can swipe to the left to go to what we call our Inspire Me page. On the Inspire Me page, you'll be able to write out goals for the month, do a brain dump, write down some special dates, or even just quickly jot down any category ideas you might have. The nice thing about an Inspire Me page for each month is that if I am planning on a month and I know, oh, my niece is getting married sometime in September, maybe don't know the dates or everything yet, I can quickly just jump to September's Inspire Me and I want to write down that special date. And then later on, when I'm planning out the month in more detail, I've already got that noted for me. So when you come across a month landing page, you can swipe to go to its Inspire Me page, and then you'll get the grid overview of the month, and then you'll have your weeks at a glance for the month. Some months, if they start like on May here, starts on Saturday, we've got some extra space where I've left places for you to just jot down some thankful things, stuff that's going well, or things you're looking forward to for the month. Sometimes this area is at the end of the month, because sometimes we might have a month that ends on a Sunday. So for instance, February, we've got that coming at the end of the month. The great thing about these weeks at a glance is that you can jump quickly back to the Inspire Me page for that month. And that was a feature that wasn't there last year, but we've improved the planner for this year. All the things you loved about it last year are still there, but now it's more improved with more functionality and better than ever. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about this specific planner, you need to watch the Get to Know Your Planner video for the 2021 Inspire Me Digital Planner. Please like our channel and subscribe. Thanks and have a blessed day.